One of the new features available in EventMagick Pro are printing pie charts. Let's go there now. Let's bring up the Bolton Wedding again. Go to the event folder. You go to Finances, and it's under the Master Budget screen. You'll notice under Master Budget now we have pie charts and graphical summary. If we click on pie charts, the first pie chart we see here is of the suggested budget. So if we go back and look at the Master Budget screen, it's the suggested budget column here, which normally has the industry average standard amount that they would spend on each of these categories.